Aku diboncengin sama papa, sama Alisa di depan. Jalan-jalan keliling desa. Desanya lebih modern dari kota kita. Hap. Mana elementary school yang kanan ya? Depan.
Ya, kiri itu.
Oh itu. Now.
Ya,
Closer, ya. Alisa. Ini padahal gerimis, tapi Alisa bete di dalam rumah mau keluar. Itu TK. What? Oh shush. Sebentar ya. Nah, katanya ke sini oak tree. Main deh dia. Dingin. Dingin kali, saya nggak kuat jalan. Enak banget ya, playground untuk anak-anak yang main. Wah, itu kayak ada lapangan apa tuh, bola kecil. Kayaknya itu deh, apa, komplek apa apartemen untuk orang tua. Enak banget ya. Mainan-mainannya. Stone, which stone? Ya. Yeah.
It used to be also on my old school.
Dingin cuy. Old school?
Yeah, the school where I used to elementary
High school or
elementary
school?
school.
Huh?
They also had this stone, but elementary school already.
Oh, replace ya?
They demolished it, but
Yeah.
they bring this stone to the new place.
Oh, so this is your old ini kan?
Yeah. I sit
School
there a lot
stone.
when I was young.
With the girl sendiri. Oh, bagus. Gimana kamu sip? Ini kan nggak enak. Es? Masa sih kayak es? Your imagination is so kotor. Itu apa? Yang yellow thing for a ball or? Lucu amat sih mainan. Ini ini apa, apartemen for old people atau bukan sih, for elderly? Nah, mereka nggak feel berisik if the kids playing outside.
Happy
Ya to see itu ya, many kids around. Enak banget, dingin. Nggak kuat. You buy it in Indonesia or not, Mom?
This is from Indonesia. Yeah.
Both.
Yeah.
And that lampion? No.
Action.
Oh, from Action. Na 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 na. Woohoo! Woohoo! Huh? Where's the water can? Where's the water can, Alisa?
Zal ik jou eens... Waar is Alisa nou? Waar is Alisa nou? Waar is Alisa? Waar zijn de balletjes? Waar zijn de balletjes?
See, here's those people talking and everything, huh?
Alisa, kijk eens. Waar zijn de belletjes? Ja.
Wow, hoppa! Hoppa! Chase the balloon! Go, go, go! Go, go!
Belly glass is always good, eh? For little
Yeah, yeah.
always.
Just be careful. Don't let her see the tube. Elsie wants to hold it herself.
Dat is leuk. Oeh. Je gezichtje, je face. Nog een keertje oma doen.
Wow! Alisa, look behind you. There's the balloon here. Go to Oma. Yeah. Wait.
Oeh, het is windy. They go in the...
Yeah. Go up in the air. Wow. Oh yeah, yeah. That is high. That is high, Alisa. That is high. Blow it, Alisa.
Papa comes home and then no mama, no all.
Where are they? More roti? You want more roti? You want more bread?
More bread?
Wait.
Lisa. Lisa?
Ses. Oh, hey. Again. And then tonight, Oma will have back pain from carrying Alisa all day. Fear. Yay! Mendung, tapi masih oke. Yang anak-anak yang main.